Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English in Easy Steps. I am Alex, and I am so happy to be with you today. Today is a very important day because we are going to practice speaking. We are going to use a special technique. It is called shadowing. If you are a new listener, don't worry. Shadowing is simple. You listen to my voice and you repeat exactly what I say. You are my shadow. You copy my speed. You copy my sound. You copy my emotion. In today's episode, we are going to talk about a very common topic, your daily routine. We all have a routine. We wake up, we work, we eat, and we sleep. Talking about your day is the best way to practice English because you use these words every day. I will speak slowly. I will speak clearly. I want you to repeat after me. Let's start with the first part of the day, the morning. I wake up early. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Now you repeat. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Very good. My alarm rings and I open my eyes. Repeat after me. My alarm rings and I open my eyes. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I want to sleep more. Repeat. Sometimes I want to sleep more. But I get up. I get out of bed. Now you. I get out of bed. The first thing I do is drink water. I drink a big glass of water. Repeat after me. I drink a big glass of water. It makes me feel fresh. It makes me feel awake. Now you repeat. It makes me feel awake. Then I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water. Repeat. I wash my face with cold water. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth. My teeth are white and clean. Repeat. My teeth are white and clean. Now, let's talk about breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Repeat. Breakfast is the most important meal. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee. Repeat. I make a cup of coffee. I love the smell of coffee. Repeat. I love the smell of coffee. I also eat some fruit. I eat a yellow banana. Repeat. I eat a yellow banana. I eat a red apple. Repeat. I eat a red apple. Breakfast gives me energy. Repeat. Breakfast gives me energy. I am ready for the day. Repeat. I am ready for the day. Great job! You are doing excellent. Let's continue with the next part of the routine. After breakfast, I get dressed. Repeat after me. I get dressed. I put on my blue shirt. Repeat. I put on my blue shirt. I put on my black shoes. Repeat. I put on my black shoes. I look in the mirror and I smile. Repeat. I look in the mirror and I smile. Now I leave my house. I leave my house at 8 o'clock. Repeat. I leave my house at 8 o'clock. I go to work. Repeat. I go to work. How do I go to work? Sometimes I walk. Repeat. Sometimes I walk. I like to walk because the air is fresh. Repeat. I like to walk because the air is fresh. Sometimes I take the bus. Repeat. I take the bus. The bus is big and yellow. Repeat. The bus is big and yellow. At work, I am very busy. Repeat. At work, I am very busy. I sit at my desk. Repeat. I sit at my desk. I open my computer. Repeat. I open my computer. I check my emails. Repeat. I check my emails. I have many emails today. Repeat. I have many emails today. I talk to my boss. Repeat. I talk to my boss. My boss is a nice person. Repeat. My boss is a nice person. Let's practice some sentences about the office. I write reports. Repeat. I write reports. I answer the phone. Repeat. I answer the phone. Hello, this is Alex speaking. Repeat. Hello, this is Alex speaking. I attend meetings. Repeat. I attend meetings. Sometimes the meetings are long. Repeat. Sometimes the meetings are long. I look at the clock. Repeat. I look at the clock. I am waiting for lunch. Repeat. I am waiting for lunch. Lunch is at 12 o'clock. Repeat. Lunch is at 12 o'clock. I eat lunch with my friends. Repeat. I eat lunch with my friends. We talk and we laugh. Repeat. We talk and we laugh. I eat a sandwich and a salad. Repeat. I eat a sandwich and a salad. The food is delicious. Repeat. The food is delicious. After lunch, I feel happy. Repeat. After lunch, I feel happy. I go back to work. Repeat. I go back to work. You are doing a wonderful job. Your English sounds better every minute. Let's continue with the afternoon. In the afternoon, I finish my work. Repeat. I finish my work. I finish work at 5 o'clock. Repeat. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I am a little bit tired, but I am happy. Repeat. I am a little bit tired, but I am happy. I leave the office and I go to the supermarket. Repeat. I go to the supermarket. I need to buy some things. Repeat. I need to buy some things. I buy milk and bread. Repeat. I buy milk and bread. I buy eggs and pasta. Repeat. I buy eggs and pasta. I pay for the food. Repeat. I pay for the food. Now I go to the park. Repeat. I go to the park. I like the park because it is quiet. Repeat. I like the park because it is quiet. I see many trees. Repeat. I see many trees. I see people running. Repeat. I see people running. I see a dog playing with a ball. Repeat. I see a dog playing with a ball. The dog is very fast. Repeat. The dog is very fast. Let's practice some sentences about hobbies. In the afternoon, I like to exercise. Repeat. I like to exercise. I run for 20 minutes. Repeat. I run for 20 minutes. Exercise is good for my body. Repeat. Exercise is good for my body. Sometimes I go to the gym. Repeat. I go to the gym. I lift weights. Repeat. I lift weights. I drink a lot of water. Repeat. I drink a lot of water. When I arrive home, I feel relaxed. Repeat. I arrive home. I take off my shoes. Repeat. I take off my shoes. I sit on the sofa. Repeat. I sit on the sofa. I rest for a moment. Repeat. I rest for a moment. I listen to music. Repeat. I listen to music. The music is beautiful. Repeat. The music is beautiful. I am enjoying my afternoon. Repeat. I am enjoying my afternoon. We are almost there. You are a great student. Let's practice the evening routine. The sun goes down and the sky is dark. Repeat. The sky is dark. It is time for dinner. Repeat. It is time for dinner. I go to the kitchen and I cook. Repeat. I go to the kitchen and I cook. I like to cook healthy food. Repeat. I like to cook healthy food. Today, I am cooking pasta with vegetables. Repeat. I am cooking pasta with vegetables. I cut the carrots. Repeat. I cut the carrots. I boil the water. Repeat. I boil the water. The kitchen smells wonderful. Repeat. The kitchen smells wonderful. I set the table. Repeat. I set the table. I put a fork and a knife on the table. Repeat. I put a fork and a knife. I eat dinner at 7:30. Repeat. I eat dinner at 7:30. I eat slowly. Repeat. I eat slowly. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Repeat. I wash the dishes. I want my kitchen to be clean. Repeat. I want my kitchen to be clean. Then I go to the living room. Repeat. I go to the living room. I watch a movie on TV. Repeat. I watch a movie on TV. The movie is interesting. Repeat. The movie is interesting. Sometimes I read a book. Repeat. I read a book. I like stories about adventures. Repeat. I like stories about adventures. Reading helps me learn new words. Repeat. Reading helps me learn new words. I look at my phone for a few minutes. Repeat. I look at my phone. I check my messages. Repeat. I check my messages. I send a message to my mother. Repeat. I send a message to my mother. I say, "Good night, Mom." Repeat. "Good night, Mom." She says, "Good night, son." Repeat. "Good night, son." I feel calm and peaceful. Repeat. I feel calm and peaceful. This is the last part of our day. You are doing fantastic. Let's practice the night routine. It is 10 o'clock. Repeat. It is 10 o'clock. It is time to sleep. Repeat. It is time to sleep. I go to my bedroom. Repeat. I go to my bedroom. I put on my pajamas. Repeat. I put on my pajamas. My pajamas are soft and warm. Repeat. My pajamas are soft and warm. I go to the bathroom one more time. Repeat. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth again. Repeat. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. Repeat. I wash my face. I look at myself in the mirror. Repeat. I look at myself. I say, "You did a good job today." Repeat. You did a good job today. I turn off the lights. Repeat. I turn off the lights. The room is dark. Repeat. The room is dark. I get into bed. Repeat. I get into bed. My bed is very comfortable. Repeat. My bed is very comfortable. I put my head on the pillow. Repeat. I put my head on the pillow. I close my eyes. Repeat. I close my eyes. Before I sleep, I think about 3 good things. Repeat. I think about 3 good things. 1. I had a good breakfast. Repeat. I had a good breakfast. 2. I finished my work. Repeat. I finished my work. 3. I practiced my English today. Repeat. I practiced my English today. This makes me feel happy. Repeat. This makes me feel happy. I breathe deeply. Repeat. I breathe deeply. I fall asleep. Repeat. I fall asleep. I have sweet dreams. Repeat. I have sweet dreams. Tomorrow is a new day. Repeat. Tomorrow is a new day. Very, very good. You finished the shadowing session. How do you feel? Do you feel your mouth? Do you feel your voice? You practiced many sentences today. You practiced the present simple. You practiced vocabulary about the house, the office, and the park. This is the secret to fluency. Small steps every day. Remember, you can listen to this episode again. If you repeat this every morning, you will speak English faster and better. Don't be afraid. Be proud of yourself. You are a student of English in easy steps. Thank you for practicing with me today. I am Alex, and I am here to help you. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Let's grow together. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. See you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.